Hello and welcome to the news at 6. When? Now. Hang on. Breaking news. Bong! Edwin has found a new Pokemon card. Let's go there and see what it is. Hello. As I said, Edwin has found a new Pokemon card. Let's see him what he says about it. Edwin, what do you think about your new Pokemon card?
Well, I think I'm pretty lucky because this is the first one. Because I went to the factories and... Oh, oops,
wait a minute. You stole it? Come on!
No. Move.
Sorry, this is the news at 6, and a very crazy news indeed. End. Hello, and welcome back to the news at 6. Our studio is now under refurbishment, so we have to live in a shed. Thanks to that crazy boy, Edwin, with his stupid Pokemon card.
Sorry.
Anyway, we'll go back to Douglas, the weatherman, for the weather. Douglas.
Welcome to the weather! And sorry about the drawing, we kind of got it a bit trashed by that hooligan Edwin. He's always bad around this point. Yeah, so at the moment we've got some heavy kind of showers moving in across the eastern parts of Scotland, and on top of that we have also got some anger clouds moving in over here thanks to that horrible boy Edwin. Right, so yes, we will also have heavy showers of dogs around this part, seeing as Edwin likes to do kind of dropping dogs about the place. So, yeah, the weather's not looking that great for us over the following weekend because of that hooligan Edwin and that kind of thing. Okay, so, on top of that we have some heavy clouds moving in across central England and west and eastern, Wales. So, not looking too great for us, the outlook. Highs of about 21 degrees Celsius and could be lows of down to -1, seeing as there's ice.
Wait a minute, it's Douglas should. Hello, and welcome back to the studio, shed. I hope you enjoyed the weather, but now we've got some political views. Right now, in the Houses of Parliament, there's an argument between Douglas and John whether Pokemon are valuable items. Let's go over there now.
Well, for Pokemon is better than all the other stuff, so we should speak Pokemon language.
Pokemon is rubbish! It should be banned, and everything else for that matter!
Sorry about this, back to the studio.
I want those hockey sticks there, not here.
Oh, hello, welcome back to the 6 o'clock news, but I think it's 7 o'clock now. Anyway, now back to our war analysis about the ongoing war between the terrorist group Boo Boo against the government dictator David in the land of Ding. Let's go there now and see who wins. Now, I want those hockey sticks. Oh, God. Oh, Edwin, what are you doing here? I thought, come back here! Welcome back, guys, and this is still the news of 6, and that just then was a very close one. Oh my God! Oh my God! Cut video! Ah! Hello and welcome back to the news at 6. I hope you enjoyed what we just did, but painful for me. Anyway, back to the sports channel. Oh, I think I'm going to be sick. We're at the Karate World Championships. And I'm Nathan and this is Bobby. And right now he's going on for the second round. Hi-ya! Oh God! Hi-ya! Hi! Hi! Get a medic in here! guys, and welcome back to the 6 o'clock news, which I think I've said that line for 1,000,000 times. I don't even think it's 6 o'clock anymore. Anyway, I hope you had a good show today, because mine was terrible. And I still hurt. Oh, my head.
Hey, you guys, I got some new cards. I got new tips. Oh, God.
Oh, not again.
Somebody call an ambulance, he's dying.
I'm on it, sir.
Too late, he's dead.
Thank goodness.